sunrise on the Texas shore. A sapphire condo, who could ask for more? Unit 1305, a piece of paradise. Beachfront beauty, living the good life. Fully furnished, it's ready to stay, with a kitchen redone in the finest way. Ocean to the east, bay to the west. It's hard to decide which one I like the best. Sapphire 1305 on the South Padre sand, where the sea meets the sky and life feels grand. Taking the view, feel the breeze roll by. Largest pool on the island, where worries say goodbye. Pack your dreams, leave your shoes. Sapphire life is calling you. Resort style living, every day's a vacay. Watch the boats drift out on the sparkling bay. Sip your coffee, hear the ocean's tune, or toast the stars by the light of the moon. Sapphire 1305 on the South Padre sand, where the sea meets the sky and life feels grand. Taking the view, feel the breeze roll by. Largest pool on the island, where worries say goodbye. Pack your dreams, leave your shoes. Sapphire life is calling.